Paleo Reboot Review, Must Knowing Before You Buy. Your health is the most important thing in this world. You need to make sure that when you wake up, work or sleep, you keep yourself in the fittest of shapes, and as it turns out, you will need to make sure that the diet you follow is a strict one and that it includes foods that are beneficial to the body and those which make it easier for you to be fit. What is the Paleo Boost book? This is a digital book that you will find only on the paleoreboot.com site that offers this one for download. The book also has its physical form that you can order and pay for shipping and handling. The amazing thing about the book is that you can get the eBook PDF version for free. Free, you say? What's the catch? You see, that's the point, there is no catch. This book has been at one time termed as a New York Bestseller, and that is something that you can look at as a bonus. The paleo diet is the one thing in the book that will totally interest you in the way that it works, and that will help you become the best that you can in the shortest time possible. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. What you will find in the book. When you start reading this book, here are some of the things that you can expect to find in it. I call it a sneak peek to see what you will be getting from Ryan once you order Paleo Boost. You will find that there are numerous recipes that will show you how and what to prepare for breakfast, lunch and dinner, also dessert. That way, you have all your meals with no health problems cropping up to kill your buzz. You will have daily instructions that will help you diversify your day to make the meals even better when you cook and plan for them. The guide will teach you how to eat out. It is not easy eating out, as you will have problems with the choosing of foods. The paleo foods are usually green and healthy, and these are seasonal. You can get to learn how to shop for them so that when they are out of season, you will find that you stored hay while the sun still shone, and that is clever. Where you can buy Paleo Beginner's Guide. Paleo Beginner's Guide is available on the official website, https://paleoreboot.com. Click the link below for visit official site. The methods and recipes provided are versatile and very varied to accommodate all people, from vegetarians and those allergic to specific types of food. This is by far the best book on good food that you can spend your money on. Pros: the book will help you lose weight while eating all that you want to eat. You will become healthier in the shortest time possible, and that is what most people are looking for. This book is designed to help you follow up with everything that you want, and that way, you will be able to get to the end. The people that wrote this book are experts and they know what you need, and that way, you can take their word for it. Cons: there have been complaints about people who try to unsubscribe from the additional material but fail to do so because they don't know how or they can't find how. For more information, click the link below.